You are standing in front of people, you say something wrong, and before you can think, your face turns red. You didn't choose that. You couldn't stop it. Your own body just betrayed you. No other animal on earth does this. Not chimpanzees, not dogs, not the most social creatures we know of. Only humans turn red when they feel ashamed or caught. That is one of the strangest facts in all of biology. And for a long time, scientists had no idea why. Charles Darwin called blushing the most peculiar and most human of all expressions. He spent years studying it. He concluded it was completely useless, a biological accident, a glitch. Darwin was wrong. Blushing is not a glitch. It is one of the most sophisticated social tools the human body ever developed. And understanding it changes how you see every embarrassing moment you've ever had. So what actually causes a blush? When you feel exposed, caught in a lie, embarrassed in public, suddenly aware that people are judging you, your brain triggers a release of adrenaline. That adrenaline causes the blood vessels in your face, neck, and upper chest to dilate. Blood floods into them. Your skin turns red. Here's the part that makes no sense. The blood vessels in your cheeks respond to adrenaline differently from every other blood vessel in your body. Normally, adrenaline makes blood vessels contract. In your cheeks, it makes them expand. Scientists call this a unique adrenergic response. Your face was literally built to blush. This is not an accident. Evolution does not maintain expensive biological machinery for no reason. If blushing had no function, it would have disappeared 100,000 years ago. So what is it for? In 2009, psychologist Corrine Deek at the University of Amsterdam ran a series of experiments. She showed people videos of others blushing after making social mistakes. The blushing individuals were rated as more trustworthy, more sincere, and more likable than those who didn't blush. Think about what that means. The blush is a signal. It says, I know I did something wrong. I am not trying to hide it. I care about what you think of me. In a species that depends on trust and cooperation to survive, that signal is incredibly valuable. Imagine living in a small tribe of 50 people. You share food, you share childcare, you depend on each other for everything. In that world, detecting liars and cheaters is a matter of survival. A person who blushes when they make a mistake is broadcasting their honesty involuntarily. They can't fake it. They can't suppress it. The blush is proof. Researcher Matthew Feinberg at the University of California, Berkeley found in 2012 that people who blush more easily are actually perceived as better social partners, more reliable, more committed to the group. But here's the uncomfortable question. Why does it have to happen on your face? It doesn't work if you can hide it. The blush only functions as a trust signal because it is visible and uncontrollable. That is the whole point. Your body evolved to expose you, to give you away, because in the long run, being seen as honest was worth more than saving face in any individual moment. Blushing is your body choosing your reputation over your comfort every single time. And there is one more layer to this. Humans are the only animals that blush, and we are also the only animals that are aware of what others think of us, truly aware, in an abstract, self-conscious way. We model other minds. We imagine how we appear to someone else. We feel shame about our own image. That capacity called theory of mind is what makes blushing possible. You can't blush at a rock. You blush because you know someone is watching and you know they are forming a judgment. The blush and the self-conscious mind evolved together. One could not exist without the other. So the next time your face turns red in a crowded room, remember this. Your body is not betraying you. It is doing something no other creature on this planet can do. It is telling the people around you, I see myself the way you see me, and I care. That is not weakness. That is the thing that built human civilization.